Hi everyone. Sorry I haven't made a video this week about the heelless anvil. I've been very busy with work and just putting out fires all week. But I thought I'd just show you this video of when we loaded up my 2,200 pound or 1 ton cast iron table. It used to be a massive logging saw, and it's basically just a frame now, but I thought it was really cool content and I shot this footage before I started my YouTube channel. So I hope you enjoy, and thanks so much for the support, and I hope to see you guys soon with more content on the heelless anvil. And then we'll just put this in the back of the van.